striking, personable, good looking. These are all synonyms of you, because if you stumbled upon this video, chances are deep down you've always known you are a handsome stud, but you haven't been able to fully verify it yet up until today, up until you have your brother looking out for you like, I can see you, bro, you're looking good. And today I'm going to give you 6 signs that if this happens to you, I promise you, chances are you are a handsome guy. Let's hop into it. Number 1, you got money. Look. Don't kill the messenger. I'm just stating facts here, like scientific facts. On average, handsome men earn up to 10% more than average men. I actually had a renowned economist join me for a video that if you watched it, he explained it all about it, but it's called the attractive bias.
Everyday life. And so companies think that by hiring beautiful people, they'll be able to sell more. Their other workers will like working with the beautiful people. And even the manager would rather have a beautiful co-worker than an ugly co-worker. They feel better about it for reasons left over from the ancient past.
You want to know what the good part about this, bro? That when you subscribe to the channel, when you join this family, I show you how to work harder, how to be successful, how to earn more and become more valuable. This is what we do here, bro. We continually become better men. And all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Number 2, you dress to kill. In other words, you're not just copying and pasting trends onto yourself just because they're cool. That's not you. You know it makes you look uncomfortable and less confident because it's not part of your style. Instead, you dress with intention. Wearing clothes that flatter your build, colors that make your skin pop, and pieces that strategically send one powerful message. I am here to impress. If that's your train of thought when you get ready in the morning, chances are you're a handsome dude. Number 3, handsome men wear the right frames. Here's the thing, don't ask me why, but you look at any handsome dude, they're always wearing frames. And time again, they always look better. I don't know why is it that all handsome men have bad vision, but here's what they have in common. Most of America, or most guys, at one point have to buy prescription glasses. That's inevitable. The problem is that those that do end up beating themselves up and thinking this is something bad, when what I see and what handsome men see, this is a blessing, yo. Because if you find the right frames, you're actually going to look more attractive. You're going to look more handsome, more luxe. That's the key. So don't just go and buy a nerdy frame because that's all you could afford. Yo, with Jade Black, our brand, I genuinely tried to build something amazing that was as affordable as possible. So that was not an excuse. And right now, we launched our prescription glasses. Now, we did this about 4 months ago. They sold out within seconds. We have been sold out for a while because of, COVID situations, but we just restocked a few models, not the entire collection, but some of the popular prescription models are restocked right now that if you guys click the link down below, you guys can check it out. See, here's the thing. Our glasses, they're made with handmade Italian acetate, high-grade stainless steel, and our lenses, our prescription lenses, are some of the best you can find. The great part is that we let you choose what you want. Do you want a base level frame that gives you quality prescription? Or do you want to take it up a notch to the highest level glass? If that's what you want, we give you that option as well. You can completely customize your prescription frames, add blue light blocking if you want, add an anti-reflective coating if you want, and we even have a level that gives you a 2-year warranty on the frame, so you know that what you're buying is not only going to make you look good, it's here to last, and it's not going to break the bank. But that's the key, boys. If you do have to wear glasses, make sure the prescription glasses you're buying are actually stylish ones that look good on your face. It's a blessing. This is an opportunity, not a curse. And if you don't have to wear prescription, I recommend trying blue light. I don't have to wear prescription, so what I wear is blue light blocking glasses. I'm always on my computer working or on my phone, which means that blue light can be damaging to my eyes and it causes a lot of strain. These blue light blocking glasses look sick, make you look smarter, structure your face, and they're actually functional. Boys, if you want to check out the blue light collection or the prescription collection, I'm going to have them linked down below, but this power move right here, it's going to make you look more handsome. Number 4, you smile a lot. Even when you talk, it's called smile laughing, and it's just you genuinely being happy and smiling. If you do this, chances are you're handsome or a psychopath. No, I'm just kidding. You're handsome, bro. And this is because, like I mentioned in the beginning, you see, handsome men They are personable. In other words, they're like this magnet. Like, they're just this gravitating field that draws people to them. People like being around them. And you want to know what's one way to become magnetic, become that personable? A smile. A smile is warm. A smile makes you look more attractive. A smile is a friendly gesture, and that makes you personable. That makes you handsome. Number 5, you watch everything that comes out of your mouth. Have you ever heard of like a real classy, handsome dude say something vulgar or obscene? Or use foul language all the time? Or even worse, sound unintelligent? On the contrary, how you talk contributes a large part as to how captivating you're gonna be, or how entertaining you're gonna be, how personable you're gonna be. If all you spew is vulgar, foul language all the time, a lot of people won't want to be near you. You will no longer appear handsome because you're ostracizing huge parts of the population. The way you talk can actually make you look more attractive. And finally, number 6, you actually make others feel good as well. You see, handsome men have this tendency of being so confident in their looks, they have no problem complimenting other people. They don't feel threatened about it. And because you're able to do this so freely, you are probably great at making others feel attractive too, which in their eyes makes you look more handsome. So if you are good at making others feel attractive, chances are you're a handsome man. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to share this video because it helps us out. And don't forget to check out our Jade Black, blue light, or prescription lenses. They're going to be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.